How to fix Telegram error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram error on Android phone. First, open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and here we'll find Telegram. Click on it, and as you see here you will find force stop. Click force stop and then storage, clear cache, and now go to permissions. Now allow all of those permissions here. Click on it and click allow, and then just allow all of those. And after that, now all you need to do, just click draw over other apps and enable it, and that's it. And now all your problems must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.